Are you absolutely decisioned out by noon? You've already made hundreds of decisions by noon today. What to eat, what to wear, what to text back, what to put off until tomorrow. And now there's a real decision in front of you, something that actually matters, and your brain just won't cooperate. That's not weakness, that's actually decision fatigue. We've got a tool that works with both your brain and your faith to help you reset before you decide. We made our overthinking and decision fatigue reset worksheet to help you reconnect your brain and your spirit with God's wisdom before you decide anything. It's available at our Etsy store, and the link is in the description.
Decision fatigue is a real neurological phenomenon. When your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for reasoning and judgment, gets overloaded from too many choices, it starts to short circuit. You second guess, you stall, you either force a decision you don't feel good about or you avoid it entirely. And for Christian women especially, that mental fog can feel like a spiritual problem, like you're not trusting God enough, like you should just know. But sometimes what you need isn't more prayer time, you need a reset first. Here's what the research actually shows. After a certain number of decisions, your brain doesn't just get tired, it starts to malfunction. You default to either impulsive choices or complete avoidance. Neither one reflects your best thinking. Neither one reflects you. And judges, people professionally trained to make fair and reasoned decisions, have been studied making measurably worse rulings as the day went on. Not because they were bad at their jobs, because their cognitive resources were simply gone. Your nervous system has to come offline before your prefrontal cortex can come back online. You cannot think your way out of a fatigued brain. You have to reset it first. And here's what's beautiful. Scripture already knew this. Proverbs 3:5 doesn't just say, trust God. It says, lean not on your own understanding. A depleted mind is exactly the wrong tool to lean on. And Elijah, after his greatest victory, collapsed in the wilderness and told God he was done. God didn't rebuke him. God didn't hand him a decision. He let him sleep. He fed him twice, and then he spoke. God met his body before he met his moment. Be still and know isn't just a posture of worship, it's a neurological instruction. Stillness literally down-regulates your stress response so your thinking can clear, and so you can actually hear.
Do you feel like you can't make one more decision? Maybe it's decision fatigue. Your mind and your body may be telling you it's time to rest and reset. Visit our Etsy shop for the Decision Fatigue Worksheet and find us online at Pivot Point Coaching. What's one decision you're struggling with right now? Drop us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next